Hey guys, my name is Max, and first of all, I want to say that I really appreciate you tuning in for this product review. Now, before I get right into the review, I want to talk about the 4 amazing bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick up this product through the second link down below in the description. Bonus number 1 is Done For You Social. This is a product that I have launched together with my partner James Renouve, and that has won the Deal of the Day award on Warrior Plus. And it is basically a done for you social media business in a box. Like, social media is super important. Everybody needs to run social media, but I know that most of the people out there cannot be bothered spending all this time to be active on social media. And this is when Done For You Social comes into play, because we have literally done 98% of the work for you. We give you done for you content, everything done for you, ready to post so that you can crush it online using social media. Bonus number 2 is AI Prodigy, which is yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with my launch partners Trevor Carr and Fergal Downs. And AI Prodigy allows you to have artificial intelligence run a highly profitable YouTube channel for you. So all the hassle that came with the traditional way of creating YouTube videos is now a story of the past. Now you can really have AI run a YouTube channel for you and make passive commissions. Bonus number 3 is Cash Prodigy, which is yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with Fergal Downs and Trevor Carr. And with this program, we will show you multiple ways of how you can make money online using artificial intelligence. Like, artificial intelligence is changing the game completely. It is the future. You can start making money online with artificial intelligence and build multiple online income streams starting today. Last but not least, with my bonus number 4, I will give you exclusive access to yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with Trevor Carr that shows you exactly step by step how you can sell high in-demand services that people want to buy on a daily basis without you having to have any skills yourself. This is amazing. This is how I got started online, and in this program I show you exactly what you need to do in order to be able to replicate my success. These 4 programs together are still selling on a daily basis, and they're everything you need to build multiple online income streams and be financially independent. And we're still selling these products on a daily basis, but if you grab this product through the second link in the description down below, then I will give you all of these 4 products on top for free, and you will get lifetime access. So once again, all you need to do is you need to grab this product through the second link in the description down below, and then all of the 4 award-winning programs will be delivered conveniently inside either your Warrior Plus, your JVZoo, or your ClickBank account. I also want to extend on an exclusive offer. If you want to elevate your online income, I have an exclusive opportunity for you. If you want to make it to $10,000 each and every single month, and you want the help and guidance of 3 super affiliates, then check out the first link down below in the description, because we have a free webinar training for you. So now make sure to like this video, because it helps me a ton with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel for more Make Money Online content, and let's get right into this review.
Welcome to my new Sales Event Formulator. I'm about to show you a simple way to boost your profits on holidays and special occasions, just like the major retailers. While they have million-dollar marketing teams with high-priced copywriters and graphic designers, Sales Event Formula outshines them all. It works with any product, service, or affiliate link in any niche imaginable, and it does everything for you in just a few minutes, as you'll see in this video. Okay, let's take it for a spin. To get started, you simply log in and you click on New Project. Next, you can type in some information about the product or service you want to promote, or instead, you can simply scroll down and enter a product URL and scrape it. So, when entering the URL, there are a few options. You can enter a homepage URL if you want to do a site-wide sale. I've done this with my bizwebai.com catalog of AI formulators. Or you can enter a sales page URL for a specific product, whether it's your own product or service, or you're promoting it as an affiliate. So for this example, I'll enter my 2025 Affiliate Marketers Master Swipe file. I'll get my URL for that, and that is right here. I'll paste it in, and I'm going to call this the 2025 Affiliates Master Swipe, and I'll scrape the URL. Now, after scraping the URL, as you'll see, all the information from the website gets input into the software. We'll click Next, and here I'll enter my project name so I can save it when I'm done. So let's scroll up to the top. Project name, we'll call it 2025 Affiliate Master Swipe. Okay, now I could add a category here if I want to. That will help me organize my sales events into different categories, such as different niches or sales types. I'll skip that for now. I'm going to leave the English as language. The language as English. And as you can see, there are lots of other choices here. And here we have a drop-down menu with 6 items to choose from. But let's skip down and enter the sale info before we select the promo material we want. So, next I'll add my sale URL that I want to appear in my promotional material. It can be your own web sales page or an affiliate link or even a redirect link. I like to use a shortened link, so let me get that. I have that here. It's a little bit shorter. Basically just redirects to my sales page. And by the way, you can also enter a landing page URL here if you have like a bonus page that you want to send people to. So now let's go over it, and we'll enter the occasion for the sale, such as a holiday like Memorial Day, or a season like summer, or an occasion like back to school or Black Friday. And by the way, I include a PDF of 42 retail sales events with this software, so you'll never have a shortage of events to choose from. So let's see. Let's go ahead and put in Independence Day for this demo. And that's a big sale day in the US. Next, you can add your desired sale start and end date. Let's go with July 3 through July 6. And here we enter the discount amount for the sale. And we could enter a percentage off, or a dollar amount off, or even something like an instant bonus free web traffic course or something like that. So for this particular sale, I think I'll do 50% off. And then you enter your name. Now, all of your fields are filled out, and let's go ahead and start this sales event campaign. So we have an email sequence first. So let's go ahead and scroll down and generate the email sequence. This is a 4 email series for the sales event, and AI creates it by combining all of the information you just entered with the sales page URL information, and here's what we get. So it creates a pre-event teaser email, a main sale announcement, a deal ending soon reminder, and a FOMO, fear of missing out, last call email. I won't read them all through because I want this video to not go too long. As you can see, the shortened URL is here. This is editable. If I want to make any changes, you can edit it right in here. And when you're done, you can copy this entire series. You can export it. Let me scroll down a little. You can export it as a document, a text, a PDF, or an HTML. And we could regenerate it if we want different emails. Maybe we want something a little different. Okay, so that is your email sequence for the sales event. Next, we can get a series of social posts. We're going to generate that. And this will include a pre-event teaser post, a main event, a main sale announcement, a deal ending soon post, and a FOMO last call post. Again, I won't read them all, but you can pause the video if you'd like to see the posts that get generated so you have an idea what this is making. And once again, we can come down, we can copy them. We can copy individual posts if we want by hitting Control-C and pasting them into our social media account. We can export this all four as a document, a text, PDF, or HTML. So let's go up and see what else we can do with this Sales Event Formulator. We can create a blog post. Now, this isn't any old blog post. This is a blog post that explains the importance of the holiday or the event and then segues into the actual offer. And as you can see, it talks about Independence Day. I like to break up my paragraphs a little bit more before I use my posts. It segues into the offer. It talks about the dates available and more information about it, and includes the link. Once again, we can export as document, text, PDF, or HTML. We can copy the entire text and paste it into our WordPress blog. We can regenerate if we want a different blog post. Now, finally, let's get on to my favorite feature, the graphics. Sales Event Formulator combines the sales page that it analyzed with the sale information you entered and creates detailed ChatGPT prompts that result in some awesome graphics. You can choose from modern photorealistic ad, vintage 50s retro ad, and magazine 70s, 80s style ad images. I really love these, and as a person who really struggles with graphic design and tools like Photoshop and Canva, this feature has been invaluable to me. And let me show you how it works. You simply choose the style you like. You scroll down, you click Generate. And you'll see an extremely long prompt. You can read through it if you want. You can even make changes if you want. But I like to just copy it and come over to ChatGPT, hit Control-V, basically paste this entire prompt in, and let it run. And when the image is complete, you can simply tell ChatGPT what changes you want, if any. By the way, you don't need a paid ChatGPT account. I've found that a free account works just fine for making 4 to 5 graphics a day. And if you need more than that, you can just get another free ChatGPT account. So this is going to take a minute or two to run. So in the meantime, while it's running in the background, I'm going to go down to a folder I have of some images that I've created as I've been building this app, so you can see exactly the type of images that you'll get. So this first one is a Valentine's Day ad for the Halo GPS collar, which is a dog collar that can keep your dog in the yard for you without any physical fences. It has the sale offer. As you can see, it's quite snazzy and holiday themed. And this is the photorealistic style. Let's look at another one for the same product. This is also in the dog niche. I scraped the Halo Collar website and made a $50 off which is a sale they're having right now. And this is the retro style ad. And here's another one that I made for half off on a Cyber Monday deal for one of my products called Web Traffic Roadmap. As you can see, I use the 70s and 80s theme for this one. I like that style. Here's another photorealistic ad I made for Black Friday, and this is for my ebook software, and it has the sale dates there and people using the software. Here's one that I made for St. Patrick's Day for my bizwebai.com software. It's a buy one get one deal, which you can put right into the discount field. Just put in BOGO, and I chose St. Patrick's Day for that. Pretty snazzy. That's also the 50s retro style. Here's another 50s retro style that I made for my lead nurturing formulator. This graphic shows the 75% off deal that I ran during the launch. I think you may have seen this if you are on my list and you got some lead nurturing formulator promos. And here's one in the 70s and 80s style that I also used during my lead nurturing formulator. Again, all of this text is generated automatically. The images, the graphics, the dates, it's all entered in from the one-time information that you put in. Here's a photorealistic style for my lead nurturing formulator and the deal. As you can see, these graphics are pretty awesome, considering I didn't have to do a thing other than enter a few pieces of information. Here's a Memorial Day sale ad for a product called Rapid Traffic Flow. I promoted this as an affiliate, and instead of a discount, I used instant bonus, free cash dash site membership, which is membership to another site. And that's the graphic that it created for me. Here's a photorealistic image for eScribe 2, ebook creator. Here's the same product in the 50s retro style. And here's another one in the 70s and 80s style. And I think you get the idea. Oh, by the way, I made one more for this particular software called Sales Event Formulator. And as you can see, there's the launch date. You're getting 75% off during the launch. And this is a banner I'll use during the promo for this particular product. So, these unique graphics have been really working great for me. I put them in my emails, and I link to them. I link the sales page to the banner. I use them as banner ads. I post them on social media, and I add them to my blog. I've gotten so much great feedback and so many clicks on these images, and you can probably see why. They really stand out visually and convey the deal that you're presenting. Okay, so let's see. That wraps up my demo. Oh, let's go back and see what kind of image we got. And there it is. Celebrate Independence Day with unbeatable deals. And it's got my deal, and it's 50% off, and that's going to be off of my affiliate master swipe. And it says it listed there. And if I wanted to change anything about this banner, I could just type it in, and it would make the change for me on the fly. And as you can see, Sales Event Formulator is a powerful tool for any business in any niche. The custom sales event campaigns you'll get in just a few minutes will boost your sales no matter what you're promoting. Let me come back in here. By the way, you can save all, and it will save the entire campaign. And you can come back in later if you want to make changes or anything else. So, you can use this all year long. You can use it as often as you want. And since you get unlimited usage with no API key needed or no credits to buy ever, you can get a lot of use out of it, and you can use it to make lots of sales just like the big retailers do. Okay, that wraps it up. Have fun.